Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can catch scorpion fish in Abyss Roblox. So the scorpion fish has officially arrived, and it is one of the fish from the ancient sands, and in here I'm going to show you how you can catch it. So first, to catch the scorpion fish you need a powerful gun like the one that I use. I'm using wasted guns, and in here you can just use your fishing radar if needed to detect the scorpion fish. Okay, I caught one. I see one in here, so I'm going to go up and prepare your gun. You need to be careful because this one might catch you. So I'm going to go near it. So this one is a predator and it can bite you. Okay, I already caught it, and here you need to hover it long enough. I'm going to try again. It moves so fast. Okay, let's try to find another one here. Okay, let's try again. As you guys can see, it moves so fast, so you need to be powerful. You need to have a powerful gun to catch it. So that's how you can catch a scorpion fish. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.